Hello everyone, my name is Tofi Ahmed Khan and today I will be presenting a comprehensive loan performance dashboard for the IT Bank. This dashboard converts raw loan data into clear and interactive insights, allowing us to understand overall lending activity and borrower behavior. It highlights trends in loan application, funded amount, interest rate, borrower profile, and the geographic distribution. Overall, this dashboard serves as a powerful decision-making tool to analyze loan performance from multiple dimensions. Now, let us move towards the data table. So, this was the raw data which I have filtered and then categorized into two main categories, the good loan and the bad loan. The good loans are the type of loan from which we have generated any kind of profit, and the bad loan are the type of loan from which we have faced any type of loss. So, to get a clear understanding of the bank loan performance, I have identified a set of key performance indicator. Yeah, here are they. So, these KPI provide a quick and accurate summary of the most important aspect of lending, such as how many applications were received, how much amount was funded, the overall quality of loan issued, and the credit risk profile of borrowers. These matrices help in assessing financial performance, risk level, and operational efficiency at a glance. According to these KPIs, I have designed these pivot tables, which are as followed: total matrices, good versus bad loan, average of interest rate, loan application by term, loan application by month, loan application by purpose, loan application by employee, and finally a loan application by the state. Now we will deep dive thoroughly in this pivot table and the charts in our dashboard. So let's quickly move towards it. As you can see, this loan application dashboard serves the total analyzing tool. We can see here and analyze everything. The total loan application which was passed by the loan bank was 14.4k. Total funded amount was $169 million, and total amount which was received was 183.5 million. Average interest rate was 12.30%, whereas average debt to income rate was 13.35%. Now, as you can see, as I told you earlier, I have categorized the loan into two categories, good loan and the bad loan. The good loan was 84%, whereas the bad loan were 16%. Application for good loans were 12.1k and applications for bad loan were 2.3k. The funded amount for the good loan was 140.9 million, almost 141 million dollar, and the amount from which we received from the good loan was $167.2 million dollars. So in the bad loan, funded amount was $28.2 million and the amount which we received was $16.2 million. Now let us look towards the interest rate, where 12% of people have fully paid the loan, 15% of people are still currently paying the loan, and 14% of people are already charged off. Now, loan application by term. While taking the loan, people thinks that short duration is better for them. So people prefer short duration of loan more, followed by the number of 66% for only 36 months of duration, whereas 34% people still prefer the long duration loan, which is of 60 months. Now, loan application by month. In the starting of the year, the loan applications were comparatively very low, but it grows with the year. Till the last of year, almost 1736 application were passed in the month of December. And now let us look towards the loan application by employee length, where we can see that the experienced employees are selling the loan application more. The employee with 10 plus year have sold almost 3.5k application of loan, whereas the fresher or the employees which have less than 1 year of experience have also sell 1.6k of application for the loan. Now, loan applications by state. The most number of application in state was taken was almost 2000, and the least was only two. Whereas the 99 was the second largest state. Now, loan application by purpose. The most number of people which have taken the loan was for the purpose of debt consolidation, which have almost 5,268 applications, whereas the least was renewable energy. The second top comes for the credit card, followed by other and major purchases. Now, let us look or take an example of a car so that we can get an idea how this dashboard works. When I click on the car, the graph changes and shows that good application was 90% for the car. Application were passed were 0.7k, funded amount was 4.6 million, and we generated 5.3 million dollars from it. Bad loans were also there, which was 10%. So applications were 0.1k, and the funded amount was only 0.6 million dollar, and amount which we received was 0.4 million dollar. So almost 0.2 million of loss we faced. The loan application by term. Here also people prefer short duration of loan, which is of 36 months, and 64% of people preferred it, but 36% of people still prefer the long duration of loan, which is of 60 months. As you can see, the graph of loan application by month isn't stable. The number changes very rapidly every month. So, yeah, still September and in the month of September and October, we have sold the most application for the car loan, which is September and October 77 and 77. The average interest rate is still 12.30%, and interest rate, if we will see here, 10% of people have fully paid, 13% of people are currently paying, and 12% of people are charged off. Now, here if you will see, only 0.7k percent of applications were passed for the car loan. Similarly, for the debt consolidation, if you will see, 5.3 applications were passed, and 735 was the maximum number of application passed in a single month. Here, the loan application by term is kinda opposite. Many people, almost 51% of people prefer long duration of a loan, whereas 49% of people prefer short duration of loan. The success rate is of 78%. Application passed for the good loan was over 4.1k. Funded amount was 63.6 million, and the amount which we received was 77.1 million. Still, 22% of the loan was bad loan, because we have only received $9.9 million, whereas the funded amount was $16.8 million. Only 13% of people have fully paid, whereas 15% of people is currently paying, and 15% of people are already charged off. So that's how this dashboard works, where you can check any type of purpose of loan and can see its stats here. Now let us move towards the insights. So as you can see, there is a strong demand of loan, that almost 14.4k loan application was passed this year. Highly funding and recovery performance. Total funded amount was $169 million, and total amount which we received was $183.5 million. This indicates strong repayment behavior and effective collection strategies. Good loan dominates. 84% of loans are good, fully paid or performing very good, but whereas 16% of are still bad loan or charged off. This shows low credit risk and high quality of loan portfolio. Customer prefer the for short-term loan. 66% of borrowers choose 36-month terms. Only 34 chooses 6-month term. Short-term loans suggest customer prefer faster payoff and lower long-term liability. Now, what's the rising trend? So monthly application increased from 852 in January to 1736 in December, indicating seasonal financial needs. Strong year-end borrowing activity, increased trust, and branch reach. Debt consolidation is the top purpose. Most applications are for debt consolidation, which is 568, which indicate we should focus more on debt consolidation loans, followed by credit card and others. Now experienced employees apply more. As you can see, the applicants with 10 plus year experience from highest segment 3.5 thousand. This indicates some stability plays a role in borrowing behavior. Now, geographical diversity. Loan applications are spread across many states, with some regions showing higher participants and helping the bank identify strong markets for the future expansion. So, this I hope that this dashboard and the data helps you to understand how this bank is performing and how much loan application have succeeded or what's the loss in the application of bad loans on etc. Thank you so much.